morning, students. Today, I want to take the topic in which we reduce the formula of the trigonometry. Number one, all of you know that in Pythagoras theorem, area of the square on hypotenuse is equal to the sum of areas of squares on the other two sides. I mean, h square is equal to b square plus b square. From this, we will deduce three formulas of trigonometry what are very much useful to solve identities. Especially, number one, we divide both sides by h square. Then what happens? B square plus b square is equal to h square. H square we know E by h sine. So that will be sine square theta plus E by h cos square theta is equal to h square by h square is equal to 1. From this sine square theta plus cos square theta, we can also find sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Suppose if we find out the value of sine theta, we will put here sine of square theta. I mean, sine theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or cos square theta is equal to under root 1 minus sine square theta. These will be applicable to find out the value of anyone in different forms. This is the first formula. Second formula, first we have divided this expression by h square, next by b square, again by b square. If we do it one by one, we will get all the formula. This is the first formula of the trigonometry which are used to solve identities. So try to have in your mind. Okay, now I am going to tell you the second one. Yes, see, just wait. P square plus b square is equal to h square. Divide both sides by b square. Okay, now write b square by b square plus b square by b square plus is equal to h square by b square. See here, b by b is 1. I mean, p square by p square is equal to 1 plus b square by b square is equal to mod square is equal to h by b is equal to cosec, and that will be cosec square theta. This is one more. And how we make the other two? See, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. And cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta square theta minus 1. This is the second formula. We can write the original form of this is this. So this is the main, and after this we can reduce this to find out the solution of any identities. So the third one is just p square plus b square equal to h square. We have divided in first by h square, second by b square. Now we will divide both sides by the b square. Both sides are divided by b square. Now this will be b square by b square plus b square by b square is equal to h square by b square. All of you know b by b is tan, so here will be tan square theta plus 1 is equal to h by b, which is sec square theta, h sec square theta. This is the third formula. Now we can write it sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, and also tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. These are the three formulas are used to solve the identity. After this, we shall discuss about some hard identities, and I try to cooperate you if you will have. After completion of this, I'll try to do some sums of mensuration also, and some hard sums of identities. Now, next session I'll take the topic height and distance, and after completion of the rules and regulation what are applicable, we shall start doing some hard sums. Easy sums you are advised to do by your own, but before going to start doing, you will read the questions minimum 2 times, and after this, then what are they and how you will solve this, try to have the solution in your mind, then start. And also you should be very much skillful. Very sorry for not maintaining regularity, and I will try now to maintain this regularity because your time is very well valuable, and I wish you for the best as much you can. Thank you very much.